Day 16 of 90, and this one breaks production. You marked a field private, you felt safe, and then a caller mutated your service's internal state from the outside and you spent 3 days chasing a ghost. Encapsulation isn't hiding fields, it's the contract between your class and every caller. Today we make illegal states unrepresentable, not just discouraged. Let's go. Here's a real Spring order service. It holds a private list order orders, and exposes public list order get orders, return orders. Looks fine. But you just handed every caller a live reference to your internal list. Now somewhere in a controller, someone writes service.getOrders.clear. Your field was private and it didn't save you. The service keeps serving, silently, from a corrupted list. That's encapsulation theater, private by reflex, exposed by accident. 2 ways to fix it. Defensive copy, return new array list, orders, callers get their own snapshot, mutate all they want, your state is untouched. Or an unmodifiable wrapper, return collections.unmodifiable list, orders, cheaper, no copy, but any add or remove throws unsupported operation exception at runtime. Copy when callers legitimately need a working list. Wrap when you want reads only and allowed failure on writes. Either way, the raw reference never escapes. Now flip it, the constructor side. If your class stores a past immutable, you have the same leak in reverse. This .orders equals incoming list means the caller still holds a reference to your guts and can edit them after construction. Copy on the way in too, this .orders equals new array list, incoming list. The rule is symmetric, copy mutables on the way in, copy or wrap them on the way out. Anything less and your invariants are negotiable. This is why immutable value objects win. Picture a money class, private final long sense, and private final string currency, set once in the constructor, no setters, every operation returns a new money. Money.add, other, doesn't mutate, it builds a new instance. There's no leak to defend against because there's nothing mutable to leak. Immutable objects are automatically thread safe, safe as map keys, and impossible to corrupt. When a type represents a value, make it final and frozen. Contrast that with a service object, which is mutable by design, it manages changing state. There your job isn't immutability, it's invariance. A private double balance with a public set balance is just a public field with extra typing. The fix isn't a getter, it's hiding the whole operation. Replace check then act with one synchronized transfer, from, to, amount, method. Real encapsulation means the dangerous sequence lives entirely inside the class, where no 2 threads can interleave it. Same trap hides in JPA. A at entity with a date created at and public date get created at, return created at. Date is mutable. A caller does entity.getCreatedAt.setTime 0, and your audit timestamp just moved, and hibernates dirty checking may quietly persist it. Defensive copy fixes it, return new date, created at .getTime. But the modern move is local datetime or instant immutable by design, so the entire bug class disappears. Choose types that can't betray you. Your 3-question audit checklist, run it on every class. 1. Does any method return a mutable reference a list, map, date, array? Copy or wrap it. 2. Does any constructor or setter store a past immutable directly? Copy it on the way in. 3. Does any setter replace a field your invariant depends on, without enforcing the rule? Hide it behind a real operation. Day 16 done. Encapsulation isn't private, it's controlling every door in and out. Subscribe for day 17.